Dump the casinos, the rides, the games, the shows. Suit up, strap in, and get ready for action. Battlefield Vegas is now open to civilians. So walk, drive, or cab it to Battlefield Vegas and experience one of the hottest new attractions in town. It'll be a blast. Literally.
The following message is transmitted by Las Vegas Police Department. At 4:58 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Hainan Airlines flight number 7969 from Beijing to Las Vegas has crashed into Fremont Hotel and Casino. It is currently unknown if terrorists are in control as communications with the pilots have been cut. All residents within 70 miles radius of Fremont Hotel and Casino are advised to avoid the area. Police are handling on this current situation. The plane has crashed as a result of the ancient evil attack by the militia groups. It is expected that more attacks of the militia groups will occur in the coming hours. Stay tuned for more updates on this channel. We now return to our normal programming.
Fries have been crinkled, curled, waffled, but they've never been nachoed. Golden fries dusted in Mexican spices with a side of warm nacho cheese sauce. New $1 nacho fries from Taco Bell. Taste what's next in
The following message is transmitted by Las Vegas Police Department. At 5:29 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Mandalay Bay Shark Reef Aquarium is under attack by the militia groups. These militia groups are believed to have sharp swords, guns, and Prima Materia relic. The militia groups have bombed several aquarium tanks, causing heavy flooding in Mandalay Bay Shark Reef Aquarium. The aquarium is now ordered to close immediately, and all residents within 80 miles radius of this area should evacuate immediately or seek shelter immediately and lock all windows and doors. If you are in the vicinity of Mandalay Bay Shark Reef Aquarium, retreat to the basement, which is a safe location. Policemen are engaging in stopping these militia groups. This message will repeat in 12 seconds. We will get you on this current situation shortly. Civil danger warning for Las Vegas area. The following message is transmitted by Clark County Sheriff's Office and Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. The militia groups have unleashed an ancient evil attack in Luxor Hotel and Casino, causing heavy casualties in some of the facilities. Civil authorities have believed that militia groups have Prima Materia relic, a weapon that can unleash ancient evil to mutate them into zombies. Residents within 89 miles radius of Luxor Hotel and Casino must seek shelter immediately and lock all windows and doors. They are now expected to unleash the ancient evil outbreak in Clark County within the next hours. Stay if you are in the vicinity of Luxor Hotel and Casino. Ask a security guard to find you a safe facility. The security guard will advise you not to stay outdoors unless you go out for emergency situations of your loved ones or families. If your loved ones are getting shot by the militia groups, call 911 for health emergency so that he or she will be taken to a hospital. It is critical that you need to access to a battery-powered radio for more updates and survival instructions on KXNT on 840 kHz on AM band. This message will repeat in 5 minutes. We will get you on this current situation shortly.
Good evening, Las Vegas. You are listening to NOAA Weather All Hazards Radio. The temperature in Las Vegas is 24 degrees Celsius. The current weather conditions are mostly rainy and thunderstorm.
The following message is transmitted by Clark County Sheriff's Office and Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. Zombie attacks are now reported in Las Vegas Strip, Bellagio Hotel and Casino, MGM Grand, The Mirage, Treasure Island, Caesars Palace, Golden Nugget Las Vegas Hotel and Casino, SLS Las Vegas, Palms Casino Resort, Fashion Show Mall, Slotzilla Zip Line, Four Queens, and Gold Coast Hotel and Casino. These zombies are confirmed to be hostile by their following characteristics: shuffled clothing, abrasions, yellow eyes with no pupils, sharp claws, sharp teeth, and inability to speak. These various species that are seen attacking citizens are humanoid avian spider zombies, subterranean zombies, titan stalker zombies, flying zombies, domestic animal zombies, four-arm assassin zombies with a long tongue, two-headed zombies, eight-headed zombies, eight-arm assassin zombies, and hypergent zombies. These zombie species are believed to be related to the ancient evil infestation by the militia groups. All residents in Las Vegas should seek shelter immediately, lock all windows and doors, switch off fireplaces and air conditioners, and seal cracks with tape. If you are in the vicinity of these areas, retreat to a safe location below the ground surface immediately. Flying zombies are now reported attacking citizens and destroying airplanes in McCarran International Airport. McCarran International Airport is now ordered to close immediately. There are also reports of animals in Mandalay Bay Shark Reef Aquarium mutated and escaped their closures to attack many people. These animals include pythons, Komodo dragons, green tree monitors, and various sharks. Best methods of killing zombies as follows: decapitation. Use an axe, sword, scythe, and other large object that may achieve decapitation. Decapitation may cause immediate death of a zombie. Staking. Use a stake or a crossbow. Aim for the eyes or the heart. Shooting. Use a high-powered firearm which is advantage to any zombie. Explosives. Use grenades, dynamites, trap bombs, and Molotov cocktails. Everyone in Las Vegas should follow instructions carefully. The reason why zombie attacks are occurring in Las Vegas is because militia members were spotted unleashing evil 5 minutes ago. Take food and precautions to now ensure your survival. It is now expected that more attacks will now occur in the next few hours. Stay tuned for more updates.
You gotta get down to Hooters, have a drink, catch the game, get yourself some awesome wings. It's the place to do your thing. You gotta get down to Hooters. Here she comes, a girl next door, hanging with good friends and more. Come on, what you waiting for? You gotta get down to Hooters.
The following message is transmitted by Boulder City Police Department and Clark County Sheriff's Office. This emergency warning is watch and act. Militia members are now spotted attacking civilians in Boulder City. Reports of gunfire in Hoover Dam and historic railroad hiking trail between police and militia have begun. Casualty numbers are probably unknown. All residents in Boulder City should evacuate now. Do not approach these militia groups, or else you will be killed. There are also reports of zombies attacking Cascade Golf Course. If you are in the vicinity of Cascade Golf Course, retreat to a safe location below the ground surface immediately. Use weapons such as firearms, scythe, sharp swords, stakes, and crossbows to kill any types of zombies. Heavy weaponry is recommended. Do not seek avian zombies. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.
At Buca di Beppo, we're all familia. Buca di Beppo brings Italian family-style dining, generous portions, great value, and world-famous homemade half-pound meatballs to a neighborhood near you. This is the perfect place to celebrate with our festive atmosphere. Buca serves up only the freshest Italian ingredients, so come in and enjoy our authentic dishes and twist on classic favorites. Whether you're a table for two,
interrupt our normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will now follow. This message is transmitted by Clark County Sheriff's Office in conjunction with Federal Emergency Management Agency and United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Militia groups have now unleashed a zombie outbreak in these counties. These counties include Clark County, Wash County, Humboldt County, Eureka County, Lander County, Pershing County, Churchill County, White Pine County, Story County, Carson County, Lyon County, Douglas County, Mineral County, Nye County, Esmeralda County, Elko County, and Lincoln County. These zombies were seen rising from their graves in numerous cemeteries. These zombies are attacking the human race. It is probably unknown if zombies are controlled by these militia groups. Military forces have arrived in Nevada to fend off against hostiles. These creatures are very dangerous. Do not approach these creatures, or else you will be killed. It is unknown if zombie attacks will occur in days, weeks, hours, and minutes. All residents of Nevada are strongly advised to seek shelter now, lock all windows and doors, seal cracks with tapes, turn off air conditioners and fireplaces, stop using cell phone because zombies are attracted to electronic devices, and take food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio for more updates, and weapons such as a firearm, melee weapons like sharp knives, swords, shovels, and axes, crossbows, and explosives for killing zombies. Do not pick your loved ones from school because they have their own evacuation areas. The President will speak to all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is the emergency action notification. All cables and radio stations shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted our normal programming to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will be on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is KSNE-FM. We will continue to serve in Las Vegas metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune to radio station to provide news and information on this current situation. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving Las Vegas metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
This is an administrative message from United States government. All clear. The ancient evil outbreak has ended. Zombies are now transformed back into humans. Notice that Mandalay Bay Shark Reef Aquarium will be closed for 4 months due to the incident that ever happened yesterday. Residents of Nevada may now leave your shelter and militia groups are now defeated by military and police forces. Please stand by for the President of the United States.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am speaking to all of you in Nevada as the danger is spreading through this state. Hainan Airlines Flight 7960 from Beijing bounding for Las Vegas has crashed into Fremont Hotel and Casino. Residents within 60 kilometers radius of Fremont Hotel and Casino should avoid the area. This area is now closed for maintenance. My fellow Americans, don't be afraid. And one major thing in Nevada. A zombie outbreak had broke out yesterday. I am so proud to all of you that you fought well against zombies with your weapons in close quarters. People in China are mourning the deaths of Flight 7960. I will speak to the Chinese president shortly. To everyone who fought bravely against the undead that is caused by the militia groups and followed instructions carefully, we had defeated the evil. Also, the militia. God bless America and thank you.
That is a message from the President. We now return to our normal programming.